Welcome back to our channel, Apple enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of new Apple iPhone. We know the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max are about to be released. What changes will they bring? Perhaps you can find some answers through this video. Okay, guys, let's find it out. The upcoming iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max models will be the ones with the most changes among all the models, featuring a completely new design. The overall dimensions will be slightly reduced compared to the 14 Pro, with a thickness increase of 0.4 mm. This may make the device more comfortable to hold in the palm of your hand, especially considering the new shape of the overall frame. It will have friendlier and softer rounded edges rather than the sharp edge design seen in previous generations. Additionally, Apple's design team will be using titanium alloy material for the first time in the 15 Pro model. This material has already been used in the Apple Watch Ultra. Titanium is not only lighter than stainless steel, but also more durable. However, due to the more challenging manufacturing process, the overall material cost is higher. Nevertheless, using a titanium alloy body can significantly reduce the weight of the device. It is expected that the iPhone 15 Pro will reduce weight by 80 to 12. The weight change will be even more noticeable for the larger Pro Max model. Although the dimensions and display of the Pro Max will remain unchanged, the bezels will become thinner. Currently, the bezel thickness of the 14 Pro model is 2.17 millimeters, but the 15 Pro will reduce it by 2080 to just 1.55 millimeters, setting a new record for the thinnest smartphone bezel. There are also new changes to the buttons on both sides. You will find a brand new solid-state volume button, as well as the power switch and a customizable mute button. They will all use Taptic-Haptic Engine to simulate the clicking effect, but the buttons themselves won't actually be pressed. This is similar to the vibration feedback effect used by Apple's design team on the MacBook's trackpad. The separate volume up and down buttons will also be merged into a single elongated button. However, the biggest change comes from the physical mute switch, which will be replaced by a quick action button. This is similar to the quick action knob seen on the Apple Watch Ultra, which can be customized for various operations, such as muting and unmuting, opening the camera, turning on the flashlight, activating Do Not Disturb mode, and more. This new solid-state button design will greatly improve the waterproof performance and durability of the new iPhone models. Additionally, the Pro Max model will feature a unique feature, a lens with a front periscope design. Compared to the 3x optical zoom of the 15 Pro, it will provide double the 6 optical zoom. However, due to the additional space required for the front periscope lens system, it will only appear in the larger Pro Max model. In terms of processors, it is expected that the Pro Series models will all adopt the new A17 Bionic chip. This will be Apple's first chip based on the 3nm process, which can improve processing performance by 10s to 15s while reducing power consumption by over 30. In terms of SIM card trays, eSIM may be completely removed in many countries and regions in Europe, following the example set in the United States. Finally, the iPhone 15 Pro model will introduce a new color, a dark red color that we haven't seen before on iPhone. Due to the titanium alloy body frame, the new solid-state buttons, the latest A17 Bionic chip, and the overall design improvements, the starting price of the iPhone 15 Pro may continue to increase compared to last year's iPhone 14 Pro. However, the specific prices have not been announced yet. These are the latest updates regarding the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro and 15 Pro. And subscribe if you love this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for your watching. We will see you on the video.